Will, let's talk about something that I've noticed on a lot of the newer vehicles, and that's the discoloration of the headlights.
Yes, sir, that is. The new headlamps on almost all new vehicles have plastic housings, and they fade and discolor over a period of time due to weather conditions. And here at Trophy Nissan, we have a headlamp restoration kit that will take this fogginess out of your headlamp, clean up the lens, give you a brighter illumination when you're driving in the dark.
Will, what kind of time frame is needed to service a set of headlights?
It takes about 2 hours from start to finish for that restoration, but once it's done, you'll see the benefits of it.
Folks, let the experts at Trophy Nissan keep your vehicle safe and let you see where you're going.